Welcome to Rune Echoes Raps. Gary Mankinson coming at you. You what's up, Titcock Talk? You ready for this? Yeah. Through broken gates of our rockstone. I walk these paths alone. Yeah. Where traitors called and banners flew. Now only shadows grew. The forge is cold in Falador. No hammers ring like before, and whispers drift through empty halls of kings who couldn't hold it all. Gold can't buy back what we lost, nor turn the hands of time it cost. In the ruins of Gillinor, echoes fade but call for more. Every quest we left undone, every war we could not outrun. From Lumbridge fields to desert sands, time slips through our fading hands. Still the world we once knew moves, buried deep in ancient ruins. The wizard's towers cracked and worn, their spells now lost, their pages torn, and dragons sleep beneath the dust, guarding dreams turned into rust. 1,000 paths now dim beneath these dying lights, but in the dark a fire remains, a spark that dances through the chains. Steel may break and crowns may fall, but something lingers through it all. Echoes fade but call for more. Every quest we left undone, every war we could not outrun. From Lumbridge fields to desert sands, time slips through our fading hands. Still the world we once knew moves, buried deep in ancient ruins. Maybe heroes fade away, but legends never truly stray. In every step, in every fight, they live again in coded light. In the ruins of Gillinor, hear the past behind the door. Every soul that came before still walks these lands forevermore. Though the castles turn to dust and blades decay and iron rust, if you look, the truth still proves we are written in the